imagine this. One night, you look up and the moon is gone. No warning, no explosion, just vanished into the void. It might seem like a small thing, but in reality, the moon is our cosmic guardian, shaping life on Earth in ways most people never realize. So what happens next? Would Earth survive? Would we? Buckle up, because what you're about to discover might just change the way you see the world forever. For billions of years, the moon has been Earth's silent companion. But it's far more than just a glowing rock in the sky. Tides? That's the moon. Stable climate? Thank the moon. A habitable planet? Yep, that's the moon too. It was formed 4.5 billion years ago when a Mars-sized planet smashed into the young Earth, leaving behind a colossal chunk of debris. Over time, that debris coalesced into the moon, a process known as the giant impact hypothesis. And ever since, it's been quietly shaping everything about our planet. But what happens if, in the blink of an eye, it's gone? The moment the moon disappears, strange things begin to happen. Hour 1, the night sky is suddenly darker. No more moonlight to guide us. Cities relying on natural night brightness become pitch black. Some animals, like owls, wolves, and sea turtles, become disoriented as they depend on moonlight for hunting and migration. Hour 3, Earth's tides start acting weird. Normally, the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating high and low tides. Without it, the tides drop by 70%, becoming weak and sluggish. Hour 6, panic sets in. News outlets are in chaos, scientists scramble to explain what happened, and conspiracy theories flood the internet. Meanwhile, satellites that rely on the moon's gravity for orbit stability start drifting out of sync. Now, we start seeing the real impact of losing the moon. Tides shrink. Coastal communities rely on the tides for fishing and marine life cycles. With the moon gone, these delicate ecosystems begin to collapse. Days become unstable. Right now, the moon slows Earth's rotation, giving us a stable 24-hour day. But without it, Earth starts spinning faster and faster. Days become shorter, throwing off biological clock for animals, humans, and even crops. Extreme weather. Earth's axial tilt is kept in check by the moon. Without it, the planet starts wobbling out of control. This means ice ages where there were jungles, searing heat waves where there were once snowy peaks. Mega storms become the norm. In just a few short months, Earth has become almost unrecognizable. But it gets worse. Without the moon, Earth still becomes unpredictable. It could lean as far as 45 degrees or more. This means summer in Antarctica, ice covering the Sahara, mass extinctions as animals fail to adapt. And the biggest problem? Humans. Civilization struggles to survive as food production collapses. Flooding becomes random and unpredictable. The weather is pure chaos. This isn't just a new world. This is an extinction-level event. So, let's ask the big question. Is there any way to fix this? Option 1. Colonizing other planets. With Earth falling apart, the only hope for humanity might be fleeing to Mars or building space stations. But without a proper moon-like stabilizer, life on these planets wouldn't be easy. Option 2. Creating a new moon. Could we build an artificial moon to stabilize Earth again? Theoretically, yes, but it would take more energy and resources than humanity currently possesses. Option 3. Finding the moon. What if the moon wasn't destroyed, but stolen? If an unknown force moved it, could we somehow track it down and bring it back? Without the moon, life on Earth as we know it would change forever. Oceans disrupted, weather out of control, Time itself altered, but the strangest part? In 5 billion years, the sun will expand and consume Earth and whatever remains of the moon. So, one day, the moon will be gone, whether we're ready or not. So let's enjoy it while we still can. What do you think? Could we survive a world without the moon? Or should we start building a backup moon just in case? Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe for more mind-blowing investigations.